Hey YouTube friends, in this video I will walk you through how you can use ChatGPT to create an Etsy product listing. Let's get to it. I am a swimwear designer and creator for my swimwear line MCNY Swim. I am always looking for quick ways to list my products on multiple platforms. In this video I will show you exactly how I do that. First, I went to Google and typed in ChatGPT in the search bar. Next, I asked ChatGPT to act as an Etsy SEO expert and create a product listing for my handmade bikini. Once I typed my request, ChatGPT generated a product description, title, and keywords. I then read through what the AI generated and asked it to make some adjustments. For example, I asked it to remove boho and side tie bottom from the listing. The AI added the boho without my request, so that is something that I wanted to remove. And the side tie bikini, I did ask for that to be in there, but after I thought about it and I thought, if I want to reuse this listing for multiple products, multiple different types of bikini, I need to not make it so specific. And I can always, once I have copied and pasted it into my Etsy listing, then I can add those particular things like style, side tie, the type of print that the bikini is. But I wanted this to be a little bit more general so that I can use it across multiple listings. Um, so now, as I read through, make sure it is exactly how I like, asking ChatGPT to remove or add anything. Then I see they also give additional SEO tips like using keywords, recommending to you to use high quality photos, to use all available tags, to encourage reviews. So I thought that was great because that went a little bit above and beyond what I asked it to do, which was nice. Now that I know that my listing is good, I will copy it and I'm going to go over to Etsy and I am going to start creating my listing. So I have all of that information in my clipboard. What you see me doing now is I'm going into my files and finding the actual bikini that I want to create the listing for. So I'm going through all of my millions of pictures I have on my computer, and I find the one that I have not yet listed on Etsy that I want to list on Etsy. I put those pictures in the product listing page. I then rearrange my photos to make sure they're in the correct order that I want. I go down to description, and then that's where I put the information that I got from ChatGPT. As you were able to see, I copied the entire thing. So now I have to go in and remove just a few things that are not appropriate for that area. Now, although you have to tweak some things with the generated listing, using ChatGPT to create the listing saved me a ton of time, and it was written much more professionally than I could have done myself. So here I'm just adding in a little bit of custom information into the description, but it's really all written for me. I am really doing the minimal amount of work. And as I'm recording this video, I'm seeing that, I've been going for less than 5 minutes, and to create a whole listing in under 10 minutes is amazing. It is definitely worth checking out ChatGPT and using it for this purpose. So I'm just trying to make sure that everything looks good with my listing. I have my title that I get generated from ChatGPT, my product description that I generated here. They did generate a shipping and return policy for me. I already have one through Etsy, so I got rid of that. area there. I'm just looking through, making sure all the information is correct. This bikini is a medium, so I'm leaving that there. And I have all of my information in, and I'm going to now go to preview. I'm just double checking my tags to make sure that all of the tags are appropriate for this listing. I added in the product title to see if there were any words from that I could use into my tags, and then I decided not to. I decided that it looks pretty good. Now I'm going in and making sure the material is in there, just all of the areas are filled in, and we're still under 10 minutes of creating this listing. Now I click preview. I want to see how it's going to look when the customers look at it. And I am thinking it is good to go. It looks great to me. Got my title, my pictures, my product description. I am going to make this thing go live. I published it, and there you have it. It's a listing that is completed using ChatGPT, and we're at 6 minutes and 14 seconds. That is amazing. Amazing. To be able to list a product in under 10 minutes and it looks professional and it is just done perfectly. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please continue to watch my videos, subscribe to my channel. Subscribing will let me know that you want to see more of my content. The more subscribers I get, the more content like this I will create. All right, guys, so see you in the next video. And again, thank you so much for watching.